What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Let Us Pray. I hope you're having a blessed and a prosperous day, man. Lyft conversation episode this morning. Man, I heard something that just touched my heart. I had to share it with you guys. First of all, I'm hoping you guys are having a great Thursday morning. You guys be safe. Take care. If you're back to work, where you, like my mom say, wear your face mask. Where your face mask at? Mine's in my pocket. Make sure you put it on. Make sure y'all put it on, man. The virus is out there. The virus is real, man. Some of y'all weren't taking it serious at first, but the virus is real. So be safe. If you're able to do telework, right on. Enjoy your time at home. Enjoy your time. Being with your family or your significant other. Enjoy that time. Man, it's like our new normal is just changing right before our eyes, right? It's just crazy. It's just crazy what the coronavirus has done. But let's talk about another monumental shift in our global race relations. Okay, the English Premier League, that's a European soccer league, or what they would call football league. The English Premier League is the top competitive soccer league in the world. I'm sure you heard of teams like Manchester United, Arsenal, Barcelona. Very great top level soccer players. If you're one of the best soccer players in the world, you're playing in the English Premier League, or you're trying to get there. Okay, so just to let you know about that. They began their season a few days ago. Every single jersey, this is the English Premier League in Europe now. Every single jersey from every single team has Black Lives Matter on the back of it. Every coach, every player, every umpire, what we would call referee, every umpire took a knee before every contest, and that will continue for the rest of the season. The English Premier League is showing its solidarity with black people all over the world, as well as black people here in the United States, fighting for justice, man, against police brutality, against the killing of unarmed black men that still consists to this day. Yes, even since the movement has started, or reignited, I'll say that. It didn't just start, it reignited. There's been a few black men that have been shot, and there's been more than a handful of black men that have been hung from trees. I believe New York, Texas, California, just to name some of the states that I've seen where some black men have been hung from trees. This is 2020, y'all. They're still hanging people from trees, okay? It's sickening to me, man. You wonder why we're up in arms. I shouldn't say up in arms, right? Because we're unarmed. You wonder why we're frustrated. You wonder why we're protesting, marching. This is why. People are trying to bring back lynching black men. those racists that are upset, those racists that are frustrated, that people's hearts, people's minds are being transformed by God, because only God can truly transform the heart. You can do all the marching, you can do all the protesting in the world, but only God can really transform the heart, okay? Just in case you were unclear on that. But yeah, people getting lynched out here, man. It's sickening. It's sickening. It's sickening. So shout out to the English Premier League. Thank you so much for standing in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement. Somebody gets it. Somebody gets it. Somebody gets it. I mean, if do all you can to support Black Lives Matter, man. We don't deserve to be hung from trees. We don't deserve to be gunned down in the middle of the street like dogs, man. So I just wanted to give a shout out to the English Premier League, all its players, coaches, and umpires. It's your boy, Let Us Pray. Hope you're having a blessed and a prosperous day. Tell those that you love them. Keep God first in your life. Stay true to yourself. Represent yourself and your family well. Speak greatness each and every morning. Today is going to be a great day. Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Peace and love.